From the marshes of the South Carolina coast to the halls of the United Nations, one woman has stood as a beacon of culture and heritage. This is the story of Queen Quet. Queen Quet, born Marquetta L. Goodwine, is a mosaic of roles. An author, historian, environmentalist, and a fierce advocate for the Gullah Geechee people. Her journey began on the Sea Islands, where the unique Gullah Geechee culture thrived, unbroken and vibrant amidst the tides of change. Driven by a profound connection to her roots, Queen Quet founded the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition. This wasn't just an organization, it was a clarion call to preserve a culture, a language, and a way of life under threat. Her eloquence and unrelenting spirit took her from local communities to global stages, including the United Nations, advocating for the recognition and rights of her people. Her efforts were recognized when she was awarded the Order of the Palmetto, South Carolina's highest civilian honor. Through her words and deeds, Queen Quet has not only safeguarded the legacy of the Gullah Geechee, but has also woven their stories into the tapestry of global heritage. A true testament to the power of dedication and love for one's culture.